Well, hey everybody, I'm at the Maverick in Rogersville. Diesel is $3.90. This is, yeah, can't see it. All right, $3.95, $3.49. It got down to like, I think, $3.20 or $3.19, and then it went back up. I'll tell you what, you think they lying to you about stuff? You don't have to think about it too hard, because they are. Well, we can't predict what the hell is going to happen with these people. They have lost their ever-loving mind. And I'm not talking about a group of people. I'm talking about every damn body. And if they really want to know what's behind it, they would cut their TVs off and quit participating in that mind fuckery. There's no reason that I can see to want to sit there and watch damn television all damn day long. It doesn't make sense. I haven't watched television in over 20 years. And then when I was watching it, I had it limited to Ninja Warriors and Dancing with the Stars. Pro wrestling whenever I could see it way back then. All right, I made it to Rogersville. And we'll just see. Today is, I think, the July the 9th. Or, no, maybe it's the 10th. Because tomorrow is the 11th, and that's the night that Conor McGregor is going to fight Max. How do you say his name? Max? Yeah, the Hawaiian. The Max. God dang, they think his damn name right this second. Well, who will win? That's about like trying to predict who's going to win the war. There's always a war going on. And there's always winners and losers. Max Holloway. Yeah. Always somebody out of two of them, somebody's going to win. I don't know who. I know if Conor McGregor does what he's supposed to do within the first 2 minutes, he'll win. But if he has to go in the second round, I don't know what's going to happen. They're going to have to pull a rabbit out of his ass. All right. Y'all stick around. Keep watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Keep coming back. And we may have something interesting to talk about here later on. I'm thinking about doing some things that will stir some people up.